Hi guys, I'm Roshan Nandurkar and you are watching my YouTube channel Java and Python Geek. So if you not subscribe my YouTube channel, so I request you to please click on subscribe button and turn on the notification guys. So in this session, what we have to discuss guys, we have to discuss how to embed Unicode font. How to embed Unicode font in our web application guys, like Marathi font or Tamil font or like Japanese or Chinese font. So we can say these are the Unicode font guys. So now here we will discuss how to link Unicode font guys. So for that, first of all, I will create new application guys. So I will create a new application, okay, in Java. So I have open Eclipse here and then I will say demo web app, okay, web app, okay. I will create a new web application. Then I will say next, okay, and then generate web.xml and finish guys. So I have created one web application here. So now then after what we have to do, so what we have to do guys, so like I want to display hello world, okay, in Marathi font or Hindi font, okay. So like this text I want to display, okay, this text. So like let's say I'm going to type hello world guys, okay, hello world, okay. So now if I type hello world, okay, hello world, okay. So now you will see if I convert this hello world, okay, like in Unicode font, like I'm using Krutidev font. You can see guys, I'm using Krutidev, okay, 714, this font I'm using. So if I converted that hello world, okay, in Krutidev 714 font, so now hello world will be like this guys. Okay. So for that I have to type, okay, I have to type, okay, like hello, hello, hello world, hello world. Okay. So now, so hello world text will be something like this guys, okay. So if I convert, okay, in like Georgia font, so now hello world will be, okay, for to type hello world, okay, by using that font, so we have to press these keys. So now, so if we convert, okay, if we convert in Krutidev font, so now this will be the hello world, okay. So I want to display this hello world. So now, so now what I will do guys, so I have created one web application here. Now then in web content, I will create new web page guys. Okay. I will create new web page, new JSP, and we will say index.jsp guys. And now in between, okay, in between div and div, okay, in between div and div, okay, let's say I type those texts. So now if I run this application, so run as on server, application running, getting run guys. So now you will see guys, so on index.jsp page, so now this will be the our hello world text, okay. But now I want to display this hello world text, okay, in Marathi font guys. So for that, what we have to do, first of all, I will create a new web content folder here. I will create a new web content folder here, okay. I will say folder, and then there I will create a CSS folder, okay, CSS folder. And in CSS, first of all, okay, in CSS folder, under CSS folder, I will create one more folder, fonts folder, okay. So now you can see guys, web under web content I have created CSS folder, and in CSS folder I have created fonts folder guys. So now in fonts folder, what we have to do, we have to copy, okay, our font file, okay, our font file, okay, font ttf file we have to copy, okay. So we will copy this font file and we will paste it, okay, in fonts folder guys. So now you can see guys, so we have copied Kruti Dev, okay, 714 normal font. So you can use any font, guys. Just we have to discuss how to embed, okay, how to link Unicode font, okay. So now, then after in CSS folder, I will write one CSS file. I will write one CSS folder, guys. So now CSS file, let me check the CSS file here. CSS file, and now I will say style.css, guys. So in style.css, okay, we will write, okay, some CSS here. So now we will say, okay, font face. We will say font face, okay. And now we will say font family, font hyphen family, okay. Let's say I will type one name, okay. I will type like, suppose I said Kruti Dev. Suppose I said Kruti Dev, okay. So now then semicolon, and then we will say src colon URL, okay, in bracket, okay, in bracket, we have to link that font file, okay, that font file. So that font file where it is present in fonts folder, okay, in fonts folder, okay, then we will copy this, okay. We will say, okay, name, I will copy, okay, I will say copy, okay, or you can type, okay, by keyboard, guys, okay. So now better to copy and paste it here, okay. So Kruti Dev 714. So okay, this TTF file, okay, we link it here, guys, okay. Then after we will say format, okay, is equals to, we have to say true type, okay. Format is equals to true type, guys, okay. Now then after, okay, we will create one class, okay, like for example, okay, like for example I said Marathi, okay, Marathi hyphen font, okay. This will be the class name. Class name can be anything, okay. CSS class name I'm going to write. So now I will say font family, okay, font family, okay. Now which font family? This will be the font family Kruti Dev, font family Kruti Dev, okay. Font family Kruti Dev, okay. And then we will say important, okay, important, okay, important, okay. Then semicolon, color, okay, color, like for example suppose I said color red, okay, color red, okay. And then font size colon, like for example I said 20 pixel, okay. So now which class we have created? Marathi fonts, okay. Then Kruti Dev, okay. So now this will be the same as this one, guys, okay. So now I write this one, okay. Now then after what we have to do, guys? So we have to link this style.css file. This is our style.css file, guys, okay. This is our style.css file. We have to link this style.css file at here, okay. Now we will say link, okay, link href, okay, link href, okay, under css folder there is a one file, which file? Style.css, and then rel, okay, we will say style sheet, and then we will say type, okay, we'll say text slash css, something like this, okay. Now then after, okay, if I refresh this to still, okay, there will be the, okay, ASCII font, guys, okay. Now then after we have to say class is equals to, okay, which class we have right there, okay. We write Marathi hyphen font, okay. So now then after we will link that class at here. Now I will refresh this, guys. So now you can see, guys, so I am getting this hello world, I'm getting this hello world, okay, in red font, okay. So now, okay, if we want to change, okay, so now we can change it, guys. So now you will see, guys, so now I am getting that hello world, okay, in Marathi font, guys, okay, Kruti Dev font. So now in this way we can link, okay, Unicode font to our web application, guys. Got it, guys? Okay. So now what we did here, so we first of all we create one CSS folder. Then under CSS folder, we again create one fonts folder. Then in fonts folder, we write, okay, we copy Kruti Dev font, okay, 714 normal, okay, font file at here. Then after in CSS folder, we write one style.css file. Then in style.css file, we link that TTF file, okay. Then this is our font family name for, okay, this font, guys. Okay, now then after we said font family Kruti Dev, okay, suppose I write like for example Kruti Dev, okay, without any space, okay. So now here I will write without any space, guys. Okay, so now if I refresh, so the result will be same, guys. Getting? Not compulsory to write Kruti Dev, okay, with a space. The name can be anything, okay, but whichever name you will write at here, so the same name we have to write at here, guys. Got it, guys? So in this way, we can link Unicode font to our Java web application, guys. Got it, guys? So thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, so don't forget to click on like and share to your friends, guys. And keep learning, keep coding, and I will see you in the next one, guys. Until then, happy coding, guys. Thank you.